It started as a simple thought to teach their two young daughters the Word of God and all the practical things that would help with their personal growth and development. A year later, however, Newton and Marlene Mina would find themselves converting their dining room into a small neighborhood discipleship classroom. Within the first year of the grand opening, JosiahKids had maxed out their space and gradually transformed into what has become a non-traditional school of young leaders. There were three main questions on Newton and Marlene's minds at the start of JosiahKids. What critical convictions, values, skills, and virtues should a child be getting in their formative years? How could they help families like their own invest those critical values without the burden of exuberant costs or the strain for bandwidth that have left families overextended, running from one activity to the next across town? 3. How could they leverage their network of friends and leaders to successfully build a central place where a community of young students could grow in wisdom, elevate creativity, discover the value of expression, and be fully equipped for the type of world they would soon be walking into? The answer to these questions would become the framework around which they would build JosiahKids. So, who is JosiahKids? JosiahKids is a faith-based 501c3 nonprofit organization with a mission to educate, empower, and equip young students and teens in the local community in the areas of faith, leadership, community service, and the arts.
We're here, JosiahKids, to make sure that we help you guys to awaken the spirit of leadership within you, so that when you leave this place, you're going out with a different mindset. You're thinking differently.
Our website, www.josiahkids.com, houses all valuable information about us. Here, you will learn more about the classes we offer, be able to apply for enrollment online, meet the team, meet our board of directors, learn how you can volunteer or invest, and even check out our blog and gallery of pictures. Our program is for young students ages 7 through 12 and teens ages 13 to 19, and we are in session twice every month from September through May. While students are with us, they are learning the Bible, hearing from quality guest speakers such as athletes, artists, attorneys, authors, doctors, and songwriters. While with us, students are also elevating creativity in music and dance, learning how to set goals, building lasting friendships, and learning how to grow into the type of servant leaders our world is so desperately in need of. This school year, we were excited to add recreational skills and drills in basketball for families of students who want to keep fit while building healthy relationships. Our young people are fighting a real war against hopelessness, violence, and heartbreaking despair. The CDC reports, for example, that suicide has remained the second leading cause of death for our young people ages 10 through 34. The United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime also reports that North America continues to experience the highest drug-related mortality rate in the world. This does not have to be the future our young people walk into. If it is true, and it is, that substance abuse costs our nation over $600 billion annually, then JosiahKids is a mission worth duplicating in every city, because we truly believe, as Frederick Douglass put it, that it is much easier to build strong children than to repair broken men.